Pakistan's Supreme Judicial Council has rejected 5 complaints filed against Chief Justice of Pakistan Yahya Afridi, according to decisions made public on Thursday. The complaints were among 23 cases reviewed by the Council during its May 14th meeting under Article 209 of the Constitution, which deals with allegations of misconduct against Superior Court judges. The complaints against the Chief Justice came from lawyers and litigants and covered a range of allegations linked to judicial decisions, administrative orders, and appointments made during his tenure. One complaint filed by advocate Mia Sibtaullah Shah from Peshawar accused the Chief Justice of failing to follow merit while selecting additional session judges during his time at the Peshawar High Court in 2016. The council unanimously dismissed the allegation. Another complaint came from Karachi resident Amjad Hussain Durrani, who argued that a Supreme Court bench including Justice Afridi had dismissed his case in 2022 without giving him a fair hearing. The complaint was also rejected. The council further dismissed a complaint by advocate Amjul Mahmood, who challenged an office order extending to restrictions on his entry into the Supreme Court and its branches registries. Additional complaints accused the Chief Justice of unlawfully dismissing earlier petitions and issuing judgment allegedly contrary to law and fact. All 5 complaints were ultimately thrown out by the council. According to officials, the complaints against Justice Afridi were reviewed by a reconstituted Supreme Judicial Council chaired by Federal Constitutional Court Chief Justice Aminuddin Khan. The remaining complaints involving the other judges were reviewed by the council under the leadership of Chief Justice Yahya Afridi himself. The development comes as a sensitive moment for Pakistan's judiciary. The country's legal system has been under intense debate following recent constitutional changes and continuing discussions over the powers of the Supreme Court and newly established Federal Constitutional Court. Questions around judicial independence, accountability, and constitutional authority have increasingly become part of Pakistan's broader political and legal debate. The Supreme Judicial Council serves as a constitutional body responsible for reviewing allegations of misconduct against Superior Court judges and deciding whether complaints warrant formal proceedings. The publication of these decisions is notable because SJC proceedings have historically often remained less visible to the public. For now, the Council's ruling effectively clears the Chief Justice of the allegations raised in the 5 complaints, while also reinforcing the judiciary's internal accountability process during a period of heightened constitutional scrutiny. For more details, read the full Dawn story linked in the description.